So today we are at Zoholics in Birmingham in the UK. I have come to the event all the way from the Gold Coast in Australia, where I'm based. So far it's been a great event. Today my focus was to get into the developers workshop to understand more around Zoho Creator. I also have some of my staff here as well. We have Lloyd that's here today, and he's part of the CRM workshop so that he can help us take our CRM build to the next level. And we also have Naja here that's actually speaking at one of your panels, talking about how we integrated Zoho Sign into our processes and how much easier life has become since doing that.
We learned so much about new AI features. There is a great hype about it. I can see that this is going to be pre-integrated, which will make it easier for all of us to use. You know, it's just enhancing the features that we are already using, and being able to be here and learn was really an honor.
First time I've been attending Zoholics, and the experience was just great. It was very insightful, and then the best thing I liked it was also fun. There was a lot of examples they had in the presentations which made it like more elaborative and more interactive. And I think now I'll be great to go and need to implement all the things which I learned into my company and then make a good progress, and definitely we'll be doing wonders ahead.
My name's Sean Gabriel. I'm the CTO at StudyIn. I've come to Zoholics today in Birmingham to build relationships, speak to people, understand what they're doing. I did come with one question I really wanted to answer, and that's once you've implemented your CRM or your Zoho One, who internal to their business are they using to manage change and optimization of their tooling throughout their business? So it's always nice to say, am I looking for a CRM manager, or am I looking for a business partner manager? And one of the fireside chats earlier opened up some good conversation there that I'm actually going to pursue a little bit further and speak to more on that basis.
If I had to describe Zoholics in 3 words, I would probably say supportive, innovative and intriguing. We decided to come along today as a long-time Zoho customer to really understand the new tools that they've released and some of the news on AI that we'll be implementing in our business. This afternoon we're going to focus on AI-related sessions, just to understand the new capabilities of the Zia functionality that Zoho have announced today. I definitely recommend coming along to Zoholics, and just the staff, the partners, everyone's been really supportive and helping customers better understand the tools that we all use in our day-to-day life.
It's really helpful to get an overview of where Zoho's going and how we can sort of use some of the bits and pieces within the modules to sort of, better our own business, really. We thought this is a good opportunity to go and learn, see some demonstrations. So we've already seen the basics of AI. We're really looking forward to the security aspects of it being a financial company. So it's really understanding more around architecture and how we can evolve the business. Everybody seems to be very friendly. Obviously, it's good, well attended. Stands out there quite useful for us because you can have interactions directly with the various people. The socks are quite good. the giveaway. I've never been to an exhibition where they give you socks.
We're here basically to learn more about Zoho and just network, understand how Zoho can make our lives better.
We are very grateful and proud to sponsor this amazing initiative, bringing so many stakeholders, partners and clients, sharing ideas, best practices on how to foster innovation, productivity and collaboration. We take great pride in supporting this event, and it was a fantastic experience.
So my name is Arvind Sethi. I'm the Head of Service Delivery at Touring. Right now we're using a lot of the Zoho One applications, and Zoholics, I've heard of it quite a lot. You do it globally. The aim today was to just understand how we can make better use of solutions which we may not be currently looking at. The key thing for me was AI, which is trending in the technology space right now. How can AI support us further and create efficiencies within the team or reduce costs? So the main aim was to get more around other applications at Zoho and see how AI can further help us. And I've been in several workshops today where we've seen how AI has been embedded in Zoho's upcoming releases. And I'm really confident that that will further empower us as an organization. Well, feeling so excited to be in the awards today. I mean, there's so much work we've done with Zoho over the 9 years. And when we first looked at the awards that are coming up, we just went ahead, submitted it, and really looking forward because it was a moment for us to really showcase the work we've done. And other companies may be inspired by looking at how we've changed our processes and saved costs. So really looking forward to it, and fingers crossed that we will win.
Touring!